Looking to secure your Discord account with two-factor authentication but don't want to use the Authy app? You can easily set up maximum account protection using modern alternatives like Google Authenticator or Bitwarden. First, open your Discord dashboard and click on the User Settings gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, make sure you are on the My Account tab. Next, scroll down to the Password and Authentication section. Click on the button labeled Enable Two-Factor Auth. Discord will ask you to enter your current password to confirm it's actually you. Once confirmed, a pop-up window will appear showing a unique QR code alongside a secret text key. Open your preferred Authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator, and tap the plus icon to scan this QR code. Finally, enter the current 6-digit code from your app into the Discord confirmation window and click Activate. If this security setup guide helped protect your account, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point tech guides. See you next time.